Hi guys, Joel here. So with this Tech Tuesday, we're gonna go over tire wear. So here we have our 2022 Toyota GR86. We just came off an 8-hour race. Most of it was in the rain. Actually, probably the last half of it was in the rain. So looking at the tire, after every race, we wanna always look at the tread wear to check how the car is running. We basically base the alignment and how good it was, how the car's set up by how the tread is wearing on the tire. Now these were actually a used set of tires that we had to put on it because we had an incident with the wall. These tires had already been run for a little bit, but if you look here, this is what's super important about why tires, you should really only heat cycle them once. This tire actually starting to come apart. So luckily we knew it was going to rain, which is why we weren't too worried about it. But we actually see the tire starting to come apart, starting to chunk away in layers. So we know that that's bad for the tire. So one thing that we'll really look for is basically wear on the outsides. One, you want to make sure the center of the tire is wearing pretty evenly. But to check our camber alignments and the camber setups to make sure we're getting full contact patch on the tire, we want to make sure that the tire is wearing evenly across. If we have excessive wear on the inside, then we know that we have too much camber. If we have too much wear on the outside, then we know we need a little more camber. We want this tread face to be worn completely even. That way we know we're maximizing the amount of grip that we can get with the rubber to the road. So this is how we analyze the tread wear after each event to make sure the cars are set up properly.